Cash or cashless? Learn easy English about how we pay. Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Let's talk about how we pay for things, with cash or with cashless payments. Part 1. What is cash? Cash means physical money, coins and bills. We use it to pay at shops, vending machines, and more. Here are some examples. I pay in cash at the bakery. I use coins at the vending machine. Part 2. What is cashless payment? Cashless means no coins, no bills. We use cards, phones, or the internet to pay. Let's look at some types of cashless payments. 1. Credit card, debit card. We use a plastic card to pay. Just swipe, tap, or insert the card. Here are some examples. I use my credit card at the supermarket. My dad pays with a debit card at the gas station. What's the difference between a credit card and a debit card? Good question. Let's learn. Credit card. Let's see how a credit card works. On November 18th, I buy something online. It costs $100, and I use my credit card. But I don't pay now. I pay later, in December. The money, $100, comes out of my bank account next month. This is called buy now, pay later. Debit card. Now, let's see how a debit card works. I buy lunch at a cafe. I use my debit card to pay. The money, $10, comes out of my bank account right away. There is no delay. This is called pay now with your money. So, credit cards let you pay later, and debit cards use your money right away. Next, let's look at another popular cashless method, QR code payment. QR code payment uses your smartphone. You scan a code and pay with a tap. In China, many people use WeChat Pay or Alipay for everything: food, taxis, shopping. In the US, people use Venmo, Cash App, or Google Pay at coffee shops or online. In Japan, some people use PayPay or Line Pay at the convenience store. Others use Rakuten Pay at the bookshop. 3. IC card, smart card. An IC card is a small card with money inside. You tap it to pay. It's fast and easy. In Japan, people use Suica, Pasmo, or Icoca to ride trains, take buses, and even buy snacks. These cards work across many regions and can be used at vending machines, convenience stores, and sometimes even taxis. In some places around the world, like Hong Kong, South Korea, London, and Los Angeles, people use similar IC cards for transportation and shopping. But, what if you want to shop from home or buy something on your phone? Let's look at online payments. 4. Online payment. Online payment means sending money using the internet. You can pay from your computer or smartphone, no cash, no visit to the store. People use online payments to buy things, pay bills, or send money to others. Popular online payment services include PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. It's fast, easy, and safe, and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Another way to send money without cash is a bank transfer. Let's see how it works. Bank transfer means sending money from your bank to someone else. Here are some examples. I pay my rent by bank transfer. My mom sends money to my bank account. Now you know the different ways people pay, using cash or with cashless options, like cards, phones, and online payments. But which is better? Cash or cashless? Let's compare and find out in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and fun English lessons.